Did you know that 90% of survivors who get caught by infected make noise with their feet first? Here's how to move like a ghost through zombie territory. Your shoes are life or death. Rubber soles grip better than leather, but avoid deep treads that collect debris. Lace them tight but not cutting off blood flow. Loose boots mean twisted ankles and noise. Cotton kills you twice. It's loud and holds scent. Wool and synthetic blends move silent. No cargo pants with flapping pockets. Tape down anything that rattles. Cross debris fields by distributing weight on your whole foot, never just the heel. Test each step before committing your full weight. For doors, push or pull from the hinge side to avoid creaks. Control your breathing. Panicked gasps carry further than footsteps. 4 counts in, hold for 4, out for 4. Mask your scent with mud, ash, or pine needles. Move during wind or rain when possible. Use closed fists for stop signals, pointed fingers for direction. Master these basics and you'll ghost past the infected while others become their next meal.